Greetings and welcome to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel. So, this presentation is for those morons in the mainstream who are called mathematics lecturers and mathematics teachers. I mean, they're so incorrigibly stupid that they'll tell you that this function here, which you see right over here, is undefined on the y-axis. In other words, this point 0e is undefined. Well, it makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Because if it's undefined, you don't have e. You bumbling imbeciles. Okay, look. You expand this binomial, okay, as I'll show you in this article. And then you get e to the x by setting n equal to 0. So you see, I do know better than you morons. I'm infinitely smarter than you. That's the only way I understand infinity in terms of your stupidity. So if you're a mathematics professor or a teacher, sit up straight, moron, and pay attention. I'm teaching you something. I'm teaching you something you've never known. You don't have a number e because this ratio, this red antecedent to this blue consequent has no measure, you idiots. You know what it means to have a measure? The ancient Greeks weren't flummoxed as most of you baboons think they were. You just didn't understand the elements. You had no aptitude to understand. Instead, you fell for the toxic rot of George Cantor and his idiot followers, David Hilbert and all those other fucking fools who are very much like you because you're incorrigibly stupid. Look, morons, you cannot measure this ratio, okay? It's like the ratio of the square diagonal to the square side. Do you understand that? It's a similar case. In other words, it's an algebraic measure which attempts to measure using the abstract unit whose size and type is irrelevant. Do you understand that, morons? Let me show you. Look, idiots. It doesn't matter what size unit I choose. If I try to measure this red line with this blue line, because that's what algebra does. That's how you realize the number e, 2.718. Do you understand that? You incorrigibly stupid apes. I'm talking to you, math professors and teachers. You need to wise up, sit up straight, pay attention. Stop being so snug and arrogant and moronic like you always are. Listen to me because I'm much smarter than you. Stop leading your students astray. This curve here does intersect the y-axis in a point. If it didn't, you idiot, there is no e. Do you get it? Okay, that's pretty much it. I just love poking fun at these baboons who are part of the mainstream establishment. They really are despicably stupid, hateful, jealous, arrogant creatures, just totally obnoxious, totally arrogant. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, become one. Follow me on academia.edu, to which I'll place a link to this article so you can see what's happening here, okay? Because your idiotic main professors are not going to teach you this stuff. They don't know it. Also, tell your friends about it, click like, and I'll be in touch with you soon. Goodbye.